Hi, it's Kaleo at Hawaii Realty Group. I present you 705 Paopua Loop in Enchanted Lakes, Kailua, Hawaii. This week's featured listing is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath with an additional 1-bedroom, 1-bath rental. Located on just over 8,000 square feet of land, 705 Paopua is nestled in a very highly desirable area of Kailua called Enchanted Lakes. Surrounding yard is beautifully landscaped, private rock wall, an outdoor shower, Hawaiian foliage, and of course the beautiful mango tree with a swing for your kids and yourself to enjoy in the summer. 705 Paopua has a contemporary feel with a beachy feel. 705 Paopua has been recently remodeled, painted, and as you can see behind me, professionally staged. Listed at $999,000, this property is listed to move quickly. If you or anyone are interested in 705 Paopua Loop, contact Kaleo at Hawaii Realty Group. At Hawaii Realty Group, we are here to help. Aloha.